All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanksgiving's coming up in a couple of days. I'm going to show you guys how I season, prepare the turkeys. This is how I fry too. First, we're going to start with a defrosted turkey. We're going to leave it in the wrapping, guys. I like to measure. You put it in the pot like this. Fill it up with water. I like to come about 2 inches above the turkey. Take the turkey out, and we'll see where the level is. Wherever that water line is, we're gonna go ahead and mark it. And what this does is keep you from burning the house down. People put way too much grease, put the turkey in, and it just, when you put that cold turkey in that hot grease, it wants to come over the side. All right, the next step is we're gonna season the outside of the turkey. We're gonna use my seasoning. This consists of red pepper, salt, garlic, a little paprika, or you can use your favorite seasoning, but let's go ahead and season it up. You want to get it real good on every side. All right, we melted 16 ounces of Kerrygo butter. We're gonna go ahead and spice it up. We'll put some seasoning in here. I'm not gonna really measure this. We'll put a good bit amount of it. It'll spice that butter up. We'll go ahead and put it in a bag, put it in the ice chest. We're also going to do a couple fryers. I'm going to do these the same way. All right, guys, we let the birds marinate overnight. We're ready to fry some turkeys. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the bird on the stand. Sitting right at 300. We have like a 13-pound bird. We're gonna go 3.5 minutes per pound. Looks like it's gonna take around 45 minutes. We'll check it. We want that internal temperature about 180. We'll check the thickest part of the turkey in about 45 minutes. If it's done, we'll keep the grease between 300 and 350. Y'all check this out. In about 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and check it out. I gotta take a little bite of this skin right here. It's like a little crackling with a little meat on there, the skin. Oh my God, that's good. We're gonna let this rest 15 minutes or so, and I'll go ahead and carve it up. I think they'll both fit on here. Might have to smash them down a little bit. go ahead and take them out. This is like some pork steaks. I just cut them up. We're gonna deep fry this pork, and then we'll put some Cape Red seasoning on it when we finish. All right, now that we got it in there, we'll probably fry the pork 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna try to draw it out a little bit with the outside real crunchy. We're just gonna play it by ear. We're gonna look at it. Okay, it's warmed up a lot. I've changed again, put some short sleeves on. We're going to bring this turkey and all the stuff I cooked to the office with Coast Supply. They have some other turkeys over there. I think somebody was doing a dressing, but I just pitched in. Let's go bring it. Hey, Zane.
What's up, Lightning?
All right, we're setting it up. All right, guys, happy Thanksgiving.
Espere,